secret to success, get the f out of bed in the morning and get with the program. My whole life I worked 12, 14 hours a day, 7 days a week, and I like to keep that up as long as possible. The minute you give that up, you're gonna go backwards very quick. I really enjoy what I do. Grease it, keep the damn thing clean. Look, don't race, don't be an idiot, drive it normal. When you go to a public restroom, are you gonna go back when it's a mess? Right? When things are clean and they look properly looked after, then it is a pleasure to sit in that machine. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. In order to keep your equipment going and keep your equipment, number one, keep it clean, keep your maintenance up. Do your oil changes, do your this, every night when they park their equipment, get somebody to check it. Have sure your operator fills in what they think is wrong with it. Next morning, follow up on that list. Even if half of that list is bull, still check it out. Because a small thing can be a big problem a week later. With Volvo, I find it very smooth, very nice to operate. Like we have a good support of our dealer. We have good support of Volvo itself, by the way. So that's what we look at. Service, service, service. Availability of parts. How quick can they get it? Like especially for us being that far in the north, it takes an extra couple days to get it up there. So the quicker they get on it, the more availability we have. Like if you're gonna manufacture loaders and excavators here, at least it'll come out of Shippingburg. You can put it on UPS, you can put it whatever. Next morning you'd have it right there in Alaska and we haul it over. This is how quick can we get our parts. Because you cannot put the price on downtime. You cannot have a piece of equipment sit there for 14 days, 3 weeks to get it fixed. So these days I pretty much say we're on about 40 pieces of Volvo equipment. Everything from the 950s until the 830, the little one. I mean, we are on 35 haul trucks, mostly 45 tonners right now. So we are pretty heavily invested in Volvo equipment and very pleased with it. Otherwise, of course, we wouldn't be doing it.